Welcome. Today, we will explore the maritime zones defined by the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or Unclos. We'll discuss the baseline, territorial sea, coastal sea, exclusive economic zone, and open sea. Let's dive in and understand how these zones impact maritime boundaries and international waters.
First, let's talk about the baseline. The baseline is the low water line along the coast, as marked on large-scale charts officially recognized by the coastal state. It serves as the starting point for measuring maritime zones. The significance of the baseline lies in its role as the reference from which the breadth of the territorial sea, contiguous zone, and exclusive economic zone are measured. Next, we have the territorial sea. The territorial sea extends up to 12 nautical miles from the baseline. In this zone, the coastal state has sovereignty, including the airspace above and the seabed below. However, foreign ships are allowed innocent passage through these waters, provided they do not threaten the peace, security, or environment of the country.
Moving on to the coastal sea, which is often considered synonymous with the territorial sea. The coastal sea encompasses the waters adjacent to the coast, extending up to 12 nautical miles. The significance of the coastal sea is similar to that of the territorial sea, where the coastal state exercises sovereignty. Now, let's discuss the exclusive economic zone, or EEZ. The EEZ extends up to 200 nautical miles from the baseline. Within this zone, the coastal state has exclusive rights to exploit and manage natural resources, both in the water and on the seabed. This includes activities like fishing, drilling for oil, and harnessing wind energy. Lastly, we have the open sea, also known as the high seas. The open sea lies beyond the EEZ and is not subject to any state sovereignty. It is open to all states, whether coastal or landlocked, and includes freedoms like navigation, overflight, and the laying of submarines.
In summary, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea defines several key maritime zones: the baseline, territorial sea, coastal sea, exclusive economic zone, and open sea. Each of these zones has specific definitions, significance, and impacts on maritime boundaries and international waters. Understanding these zones helps us appreciate the complexities of maritime law and the importance of international cooperation in managing our ocean.